Hello everybody, so today I will show you how to connect a button to a Arduino Uno microcontroller so that you could just press the button and have it do a function like this. Here's another example. I just pushed the button and now the light is on. LED is on, and I push it again, now the LED is off. On, off. So I'll show you how to do this as well, how to connect it and everything, and how to write the code for it. Show you how to hook up the button to the breadboard. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So this is how the pins for the button look like. As you can see, it looks like that, and you see how it's kind of like crimped. So this, when you go horizontally, it's connected. The other side is also connected horizontally, the crimped part, right? But when it's like this, it's not connected. So this is it would be switching. So when you press the button, it'd be connected. So this is the way. This is the way it's going to go in, just like this. I'm going to turn it a little, and I'm going to put it in, just push it right in into the breadboard, so it's firmly in there. I'll show you that. So that's in, firmly in place, just like that. Get it back, and this is the 330 ohm resistor, which I'm going to put for the LED right here. And the long side of the leg is here like that. So this side goes into the resistor, the long side, long leg, I'm sorry. And the short part, the short leg, goes into the ground or negative. So I'm going to put that right there. Okay, so that's in ground. So the next part is for the LED. I'm going to connect it right here. I don't know if you could see that or not. And this will go into pin 11 for the LED. Just like that, goes into pin 11. That LED is connected. I have a circuit for that. Now I'm going to connect the button so I'm going to use this and connect it to, before I do that, I'm going to connect this part right there. Will go into the ground. Okay, just like that. It goes into the ground. So ground and ground. The next pin, I'm going to connect it right here. Right there. The other leg of the button, and I'm going to connect it right here, which is going to be connected to a resistor, the 10k ohm resistor right here. Goes right here like that. Okay. Good, and this one will go into pin 13, and that will be for the button. Let me move this up a little bit so you can see better. So this goes into pin 13. Right there. Just like that. And lastly, the last leg of the resistor will go into a 5-volt power pin in the Arduino Uno microcontroller. So right next to the ground pins, there's a 5-volt pin right here, I think. That's connected to the yellow wire is connected to the 5-volt power pin, so that's connected. So now I'm going to see if it's working. I already wrote the code into this controller, and as you can see, it is working. When I press the button, it's off. When I push the button again, it's on, so it's working. So now I should be able to write the code. You should be able to write the code in here and get this button to turn on and off. Okay, so this part's done.